Hi folks, this is Curious Kathy. On this video, we went to the Lunar Festival in downtown Riverside, and it's just getting better and better. Okay, we are at the Riverside downtown. So we're gonna look around. And here, we're just starting. I think we're gonna go that way. Let's go that way. Actually, it's in front of the Mission Inn. And we are on Orange Street. This is every year. So this year, last year we were here. And again this year. Let's see what they got. We got some shoe charm. Whoa, shoe charms. I'm into these. Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, lots. Okay, this one's, I like this and real stuff. Soaps, rings, jewelry. Hello, Teddy! And where's Matthew? Where is Matthew?
Where Matthew disappeared.
Matthew disappeared? I was just stopping there. Anyway, ooh, look at more jewelry. Oh, these are cool.
I think it's hungry.
That's my big thing. I'm like, oh, I'll play the game. I'll play the food.
Parang Changi, ano ito sa ano? Sorry.
They have a lot of cars back
Oh, there's Matthew!
Right across the street.
He said there's a lot of, vintage cars, I guess. I'm gonna go that side. Oh, I like this. Oh, they got nice things. Oh, look at that. Look at the little cutie stuff. Okay, oh my goodness, look at all that. And, here's our guy. Are you Kermit the Frog? Yep, that's Kermit. Hey, Kermit. I believe we have a car show. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, this is so cute. Wow, that's awesome. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Look at the hood. This is the trending of the cars right now. Just look at this car. And that. And that. Okay, we got like games for the kids as well. And jumps. Okay, we got Matthew. We found him again. And he is eating. Whoa, what is that?
Some takoyaki.
Honest and direct opinion.
It's okay. It's alright.
So you will give him maybe a 3 there.
What?
A 3 out of 5.
Maybe a 3.5.
I kinda got jealous of Matthew's takoyaki, so I bought some and shared it with Teddy.
nachos.
Got taho and
With nachos. I've never seen Filipino food with nachos.
mais con yellow. So we got Pinoy food right here. And this is the onion rings. Oh, look at the onion rings, the blooming onion. How cool is that? Just tastes like onion rings, but in a more beautiful form. And we're gonna try. This cost how much? $16 for this just this thing. Okay, with ranch. So we're gonna try it. Let's see what's the hype is all about.
Order number 3030.
Lots of Pinoy food here, you guys. We got a takoyaki. The Lunar Festival in Riverside this year was a lot better compared to last year. So there you have it. This video was brought to you by the Villa Tagaytay. We are at Facebook, Booking.com, and Agoda. Maraming salamat po for watching the video. This is Curious Kathy. Stay safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next video.